Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start inside Merilife, open the app and sign in if needed. Once done, make sure Photos permission is granted so the app can read your images. This avoids upload errors. Next, navigate to the profile or post area where uploads occur. This is usually a plus or camera icon. Tap it now to begin selecting files. Doing these steps first saves time and prevents repeated permission prompts during the actual upload. You'll see a picker after tapping Upload. Choose Photo Library and tap each image you want. If Merilife supports multi-select, pick them in one go to keep order. Once selected, use the in-app editor to crop to the required aspect ratio, rotate, or apply a light filter. This ensures visual consistency and avoids rejection for size limits. After edits, add captions or tags as needed. Confirm the selection so the app queues the images for upload. Now tap Upload or Post to start sending the images to Merilife. You'll see progress bars or spinners. Wait until they finish. Once complete, navigate to the target post or your profile to verify images rendered correctly and captions published. If something looks off, refresh the view or reopen the app. Troubleshooting tip. If an upload fails, check Wi-Fi or mobile data, ensure files are under the app size limit, and retry. If problems persist, force close and relaunch the app before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.